For years, Ram appeared ready to move on from the legendary HEMI V8. The strategy seemed straightforward. Replace the familiar 5.7-liter V8 with the newer 3.0-liter Hurricane twin-turbo inline-six. Deliver more power and better efficiency, and move the Ram 1500 into a new era. But the transition did not go exactly as planned. Ram eventually acknowledged that dropping the HEMI created a serious disconnect with its core truck customers. In 2025, Ram CEO Tim Kuniskis publicly admitted that the company screwed up when it dropped the HEMI, and said the brand had fixed the mistake by bringing the V8 back. Now, the 2027 Ram 1500 shows what that correction actually looks like. And importantly, the answer is not simply replacing the Hurricane with the HEMI again. Ram is taking a different approach. Both engines stay. The HEMI wasn't actually replaced permanently. The biggest misunderstanding surrounding the Ram 1500 powertrain story is that the Hurricane has been canceled. That is not what happened. For the 2027 Ram 1500, Ram officially lists 4 gasoline powertrain choices: the 5.7-liter HEMI V8, 2 versions of the 3.0-liter Hurricane inline-six, and the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6. That makes the 2027 strategy fundamentally different from the 2025 strategy. The 2025 Ram 1500 moved to a 6-cylinder focused lineup. The Hurricane was positioned as the technological successor to the HEMI, offering substantially more horsepower and torque, while improving efficiency. But customers made it clear that maximum output wasn't the only thing they cared about. Truck buyers also cared about engine character, familiarity, sound, towing behavior, long-term confidence, and perhaps most importantly, having a choice. Ram listened. What was the real HEMI to Hurricane problem? It would be inaccurate to say Ram officially admitted that the Hurricane engine itself was mechanically defective, or that every Hurricane-powered Ram had reliability problems. The bigger problem was product strategy and customer acceptance. Ram underestimated how strongly customers were attached to the HEMI V8. The 5.7-liter HEMI had become one of the defining characteristics of the Ram 1500. Removing it left customers who specifically wanted a naturally aspirated V8 with nowhere to go within the lineup. Meanwhile, the Hurricane introduced a very different driving experience. The standard output 3.0-liter Hurricane produces 420 horsepower and 469 pound-feet of torque, while the high-output version reaches 540 horsepower and 521 pound-feet of torque. The 5.7-liter HEMI produces 395 horsepower and 410 pound-feet. On paper, the Hurricane looks like the obvious winner. But trucks aren't purchased entirely from a spreadsheet. A 5.7-liter V8 delivers the traditional sound and throttle response many Ram customers expect. The Hurricane is smoother, quieter, and much more technologically sophisticated, but it doesn't feel like a V8. That difference mattered. Ram's 2026 HEMI comeback was the first fix. Ram's response arrived with the 2026 model year. The company brought back the 5.7-liter HEMI V8 with e-torque after customer feedback made the demand impossible to ignore. Ram officially described the move as a direct result of customer input. The returning engine produces 395 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque, and uses the e-torque mild hybrid system in applicable configurations. The system isn't there simply for performance. It assists with engine stop-start operation, shift transitions, and efficiency, while a 48-volt electrical system supports the truck's accessories and hybrid functions. So Ram didn't simply pull an old engine off the shelf and put it back into the truck. The HEMI returned as part of a broader powertrain strategy, and customer demand appears to have validated the decision. Stellantis reported that roughly 40% of Ram pickup deliveries in North America during the first quarter of 2026 were equipped with the HEMI V8. That is an important number because it demonstrates that the HEMI wasn't merely a vocal enthusiast preference. There was substantial buying demand behind it. The 2027 Ram 1500 makes the fix permanent. This is where the 2027 model becomes particularly interesting. Ram isn't forcing customers to choose between old technology and new technology. Instead, it is offering both. The 2027 Ram 1500's standard output Hurricane makes 420 horsepower and 469 pounds-feet of torque. The high-output Hurricane jumps to 540 horsepower and 521 pounds-feet of torque. The HEMI remains available, with 395 horsepower and 410 pounds-feet of torque. This creates three very different choices. The HEMI is the traditionalist's engine. It delivers the V8 experience, familiar architecture, and the character longtime Ram owners expect. The standard Hurricane is the balanced choice. It provides more horsepower and torque than the HEMI while using a smaller displacement inline-six configuration. The high-output Hurricane is the performance option. With 540 horsepower and 521 pound-feet, it offers substantially more output than the 5.7-liter HEMI. This is arguably the most important lesson for Ram's transition. The company no longer needs one engine to satisfy everybody. The Hurricane still has a major advantage. Bringing back the HEMI does not mean Ram believes the Hurricane was a failure. Quite the opposite. The Hurricane remains an important part of Ram's future because it delivers the performance and efficiency benefits that originally made it attractive. The high-output version produces 540 horsepower and 521 pound-feet of torque, while the standard output engine produces 420 horsepower and 469 pound-feet. The 2027 Ram 1500 can also tow up to 11,530 pounds when properly equipped with the standard output Hurricane. That means Ram now has a powertrain capable of appealing to customers who prioritize modern turbocharged performance. The HEMI and Hurricane therefore aren't necessarily enemies. They serve different customers, and that's exactly what Ram should have recognized earlier. The 2027 fix is really about choice. Calling the 2027 update a mechanical HEMI to Hurricane fix would be misleading. There is no official announcement saying Ram discovered a universal Hurricane defect and redesigned the engine for 2027. The real correction is much more strategic. Ram learned that replacing an iconic engine without offering an equivalent choice could alienate customers. So the 2027 solution is powertrain diversification. Want a V8? Choose the HEMI. Want more power from a modern turbocharged engine? Choose the Hurricane. Want maximum Hurricane output? Choose the high-output version. That is a much smarter approach for a full-size pickup market where customers have radically different priorities. And Ram is going even further in 2027. The return of the HEMI isn't the only major development. Ram is also pushing the V8 concept into a new performance category with the 2027 Ram 1500 Rumblebee lineup. The Rumblebee family includes a 5.7-liter HEMI-powered version, a 6.4-liter HEMI variant, and an extreme 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI model. The flagship Rumblebee SRT is officially rated at 777 horsepower, with Ram targeting a 0 to 60 mile/hour time of 3.4 seconds and a top speed of 170 miles per hour. That tells us something important about Ram's current philosophy. The company isn't simply restoring the past. It's using the HEMI name and V8 architecture as part of a broader performance strategy. At the same time, the Hurricane remains the high-tech alternative. For a buyer considering a 2027 Ram 1500, the decision is now much easier. If you value traditional V8 character, naturally aspirated response, and the familiar HEMI experience, the 5.7-liter V8 makes the most sense. If you want stronger output from a smaller engine and appreciate turbocharged performance, the standard Hurricane is worth considering. And if outright horsepower is your priority, the 540 horsepower high-output Hurricane is difficult to ignore. The important point is that there's no longer one correct Ram engine. The bigger lesson for Ram, the HEMI to Hurricane story, is ultimately less about which engine is better and more about understanding truck buyers. Ram initially treated the transition like a technological upgrade. Customers treated it like a loss of choice. The company eventually recognized the difference. The 2026 HEMI comeback was the first response. The 2027 lineup turns that response into a long-term strategy by keeping the HEMI and Hurricane engines together. And that may be Ram's smartest powertrain decision in years. The Hurricane isn't disappearing. The HEMI isn't disappearing from the 2027 Ram 1500 either. Instead, Ram is giving customers something the original transition failed to provide: a genuine choice between traditional V8 power and modern turbocharged performance. That is the real 2027 fix. And if the early sales response is any indication, Ram may have finally found the balance its truck customers wanted all along.